everybody, I'm Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. So what we're gonna do today is I'm just gonna go ahead and do another Halloween look. It's gonna be a really simple look that pretty much everybody can do. So like if you have a last minute costume that you want to do and you're kind of on like a low budget, I would say this would be low budget because you can just buy those cheap Halloween makeup kits at Walmart. And really what you need is mostly like primary colors. I'm not using that, I'm using my own makeup because I'm a psycho and I've got so much makeup. So anyways, we are going to do a pop art look. It's something that's simple and it's something that people are gonna recognize like right away what it is. So anyways, I'm just gonna be using an assortment of like liners and stuff. So I don't think I'm gonna use the pink, but you get the gist of it. Mostly black, and I'm either using a couple different black and a blue, some red for the lips, and some white liquid, and the NYX jumbo pencil in milk. And this is the Epic Wear in white. Yeah, white. And then we got NYX in Ladybug. And then we got a cream gel liner by ColourPop. And then I just got another cream gel liner and then a Kat Von D dagger. So, how about we just get started with it? I think I'm gonna start out with the eye look. So what I'm gonna do, I have foundation on and powder. So and I did a really light job of it so that, you know, I don't really need a whole lot. My face is pretty white and you kind of want your face white, so it's okay. But I'm gonna zoom you up just a little bit. And I'm going with a dagger tattoo liner. And I'm gonna start with my eyes. I'm just gonna do a regular wing. And just make it kind of just pretty normal. Unless you want to make it bigger, you can do whatever you want. I'm just giving you like a jumping off point. Everybody can do their own rendition of the makeup. It's just, I want to show you how easy it is. And when I do in the corner, I'm going to kind of make the corner do that, you know. Kind of like a fox eye. You don't have to do that, but I just thought it'll look cute. And I'll do the other one and speed it up. Okay, so I think that's the gist of the eye, the eyeliner part, and it don't have to be perfect. We ain't perfect here. We already said that. Okay, so and then I'll take the same dagger tattoo, and I'm gonna kind of do some eyebrows. So there's my eyebrows. And I think I'm gonna do the lining on my face now. I think, yeah. Let's just do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose. And then you kind of wanna do like a cheekbone. And then you'll do your jaw. My jaw is round, so I'm gonna kind of do it round. But you can make it look more angular if you want. And then you just do a little on your face. That one got a little bit messed up, but I think I can fix it here. Maybe I can just kind of that's good enough for me. Whatever. Okay, and then let's do the eye. Actually, on this eye, I'm gonna have teardrops. So I'm gonna take this on the top of this one and just kind of make some what looks like eyelashes. And then on this side, I'm gonna put them down on the bottom. And then we can go in with the teardrop. I'm gonna use that blue cream gel liner by ColourPop in, I think it says Catsuit. Basically, sorry if that's annoying. Let me get a different mirror for you. A small one that I could just use with my hands. So I'm just gonna go in here and just make some like teardrops. Okay, and so I'm gonna take the black gel liner. I'm gonna kind of go around it a little. Okay, I just heard a noise in my closet, but okay, we'll just keep going. There could be a killer in there. Hey, it's Halloween. But I wish Mother Effer would. Okay, anyways. Hold on. Okay, so I had to legitimately get up and check in my closet because I've been hearing noises a lot coming from my closet. There's nothing in there. But anyways, to continue with this, I'm just gonna kind of go over it with this gel liner. And make it look cute. And then I think there should be like a little, oh, right there. Your lines, I've never really done this before, but I think I like my lines to be thinner. You can do them thicker, thinner, whatever you want to do. Okay, and this is one thing that you probably should buy because this has a lot of uses, like especially for Halloween. This here is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in milk. So that's what we're gonna do to make our white dots. Okay, so I'm gonna take the MAC. I think I said it was NYX before. This is MAC in Ladybug. Oh, actually, I think I'm missing a few things. What was I gonna do? Oh, I wanted to give myself a beauty mark, like somewhere in here. Okay, that looks good. I like it. So I'm thinking maybe line my lips with black very thinly, and now let's put this on first, the lipstick, and then I'll line my lips with the black. Okay, so I'm gonna go around with the Epic Wear and do some white and just do some like highlight. And I think I'm gonna put a little of this in here. Nah, that doesn't really make a difference. I'm gonna go back with the jumbo pencil and go back around it. Okay, so let me go and put the rest of my outfit on and I will be right back. So anyway, this is the final look. I got this cheap wig at Walmart. I wish it was a little more, you know, like this, but it'll do. And basically, this was very cheap. And it kind of looks that way, but it is what it is. And like I said, you can get like Halloween makeup with these colors and just replicate this at home. But if someone's seen you with this, I'm pretty sure they know it was a pop art look, right? But anyway, so this is the final look. Hopefully you like this video. This is something simple that probably a preschooler could do. Maybe. I'm thinking maybe. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. Make sure you follow all of my social media and give me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.